Hello guys, welcome back to the channel IT Simplified. In today's video on Azure, I'm here to talk about redundancy within storage account. So before I explain you that, let's see what are the options that we get when we are trying to create a storage account. So in my search bar, I'm just gonna type in storage account, pick the option, click on add, and if I straight away go to the storage account and choose the performance tier, I have the option of choosing the storage v2 general purpose, which is the latest version, and you see under the replication you have the option to choose from locally redundant, zone redundant, geo redundant, and read access geo redundant. And if I move the tier to premium, I only have the option of locally redundant storage. So that's what I want to explain. What does this replication means in terms of redundancy. So let me just go to my whiteboard, and sometimes there is a confusion, and also the cost is also important when we talk about public cloud, because sometimes we start very low when it comes to storage, but if you don't keep an eye, or if you're not aware of the options available, the price can really shoot up. So definitely when you're trying to use public cloud and storage in particular, you need to know or aware of at least what kind of options available. So the first option was LRS, which is locally redundant storage. So when you create a locally redundant storage, Microsoft will create 3 copies for you. Copy 1, copy 2, and 3 copies. So in one region you'll have 3 copies. That's what the LRS or locally redundant storage means. When you choose the second option, which is a little bit higher SLA, it's the zone redundant storage. When you create a zone redundant storage, very similar to LRS, it will have 3 copies available of your data, but it will be in multiple data center within one region. So if this is one region of Azure, one region of Azure comprised of multiple data center within one region. So say for example, this is central region of Canada, and this is data center 1, data center 2, and data center 3. With zone redundant storage, your 3 copies will be distributed among multiple data center within one region, whereas LRS only will have 3 copies in one region only. Right? This is going to be LRS, and zone redundant storage, you have copies in multiple regions, but still it's going to be in one region only. The third option, which has a little bit better SLAs than both LRS and ZRS, is geo redundant storage. With geo redundant storage, you'll have 6 copies in total. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, and it will be equally distributed between 2 regions, and that will be between a paired region. So with geo redundant storage, I have a paired region for central is the East Canada location. So I will have 3 copies in this region, and I will have 3 copies in this region. Right? That's what geo redundant storage is. And the fourth option is read access geo redundant storage, which is the highest SLA that you can get in storage account, and I'm talking about standard storage account. Right? So when you create read access geo redundant storage, you still have 3 copies per region, so 6 copies in total. But the difference from GRS is that you also get read access from the secondary region. So in case your primary region goes down, You can also have read access. You cannot write to the storage, but you can read the data from this. So you'll always have these 3 copies, whereas in GRS it's going to take some time for you to access. And Microsoft will still maintain 6 copies in total for you, but it will take some time to have you access, because that is what is the difference from read access GRS. So in total 6 copies, and you also get read access to the secondary region, right? So this is for the standard storage account, and as I showed you, when you move this to premium storage account, the only option that you get is of locally redundant storage, which is having 3 copies within one region. And as I said, it is very important to identify all these options, because whichever option you will choose will not only have impact on the data, the way it is replicated, but also will have impact on the cost at the end of the month that you'll be paying. So it's very important that you know about what is the redundancy level. So at least this gives you an idea about what the options you have when you create a storage account within Azure. I hope you found this video useful. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.